Alright, so we have less than 30 seconds for market to open. Okay. Can you just imagine? Can you just imagine? Look at where we opened at. Can you just imagine that? So I'll take a buy trade here. Bro, that was not where I took my buy, bro. My TP will just be at this high. That'll be where my TP will be. That was not why is the spread so high all of a sudden? Spread is so high all of a sudden. My take profit will be right here. Like this kind of high. This is a weird way to start the Monday. Not gonna lie. This is really a weird way to start the Monday. If I am even to set a stop loss, it will be a negative RR. I'm still targeting this kind of high. I will just put my stops to break even. My stops are going to be at break even. I know we're going to get there. Did that hit my TP? Yeah, it did. But I feel like the spread coming down stopped me out. But I really hope that they hit TP though. Man, prices, I don't know, man. Friends, 40 is tripping. Because only God knows what we're doing. Only God knows what we're doing, bro. Like, price just went up all the way to the upside. I literally had my zone drawdown, this trend line. We need to see if price can break through this resistance. Just targeting a 1 to 2, sorry. Well, I would have gone for a 1 to 1. But like, price just went all the way high. Like, just went straight to the upside. Or did the time zone change? Because I need to know what exactly is happening. Wait, 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 I gotta check something, bro. I have to check something. Yo, 2 a.m. is basically the time market does this shit. But it's 3 a.m. market is doing this shit. Yo, we might have traded on the wrong time zone. Wait, we might have. I think the time zones changed. Yo, wait, hold on though. I feel like the time zones changed because I'm literally just looking at the. I'm gonna put you on. Let me put you guys on. Let me show you guys exactly what I'm seeing. Alright, so this is what I'm seeing, right? Like I said, I feel like the time zones changed because I'm just looking at it right here. It's normally 2 a.m. that the market does this shit, does this huge push to the upside, like leaves the gap, the new week opening gap at 2 a.m. Now it's doing it at 3 a.m. So I guess the market, you feel me? I guess the market time zones has changed. I think I'm supposed to be trading this by 4 a.m. New York time. Yo, yo, wait, hold on though. I might have been messed up. Though. I might have messed up. Yo, wait, hold on. Let me see if I can change it to London time zone. Oh yeah, London. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, yeah. I traded at the wrong time zone because I switched to London and London opening is always 8 a.m. It's always 8 a.m. right here, as you can see, it's always 8 a.m. But all this new week opening gap is at 7 a.m. Because I was wondering like why is Price doing this? And that was because we obviously are trading the wrong time zone. Price opens at 8 a.m. but we're doing this shit at 7 a.m., which obviously occasionally occurs right here. Alright. So that will basically we'll have to just come back again and trade the right session. Alright. So yeah, see you guys later. Soon. I'll see you guys soon, yeah. Alright, so we're back. We're back at the correct time. Let's see if price wants to keep selling. Oof, that was way too much. That was way too much. Price broke out of my level. But let's see, man. I don't know. Alright, selling right there. Man, price broke out of my level, man. I need to show you guys. Yo, look at this right here, man. Price broke out of my level, man. Way too much shit going on, man. So much shit going on, man. Price broke out of my level, man. It's supposed to sell right there. Stop supposed to be at this size. Yeah, that's way too much. Man, it is what it is, man. So I just set my take profit. I will do it this way so you guys can see it. Oh, that was actually not where exactly where I entered. That's crazy though. If price pushes past this week, I'll put my stops to break even. Alright, so I'm putting my stops to break even. My stops is at break even at this point. It's a risk free trade. Putting my stops to target 1, which was right here. Putting my stops right there. So even if I get stopped out, it's basically like a 1-to-1. Just trying to. Oh, I think we got stopped. Alright, yeah. So we got stopped at target 1 basically. So yeah, it's supposed to be a 1-to-1. This is where I was supposed to enter, but I ended up having a late fill. But I have to follow the rules, man. I have to go for a 1-to-1, target one and target two. But yeah, yeah, that was basically, man. Price is still pushing though. Price is still pushing, but it is what it is. I'm out of the trade. That was actually a good trade though, even though target two is about to get hit. Yeah. So for those of you holding, you guys can keep holding to target two. Yes, if you want to keep holding to target two, but I hope your stops should be at break even. I'll just watch this hit target two with you guys. Yeah, I feel like alright, so you guys can close. Target two just got hit. Target two just got hit. You guys can close right there. Oh no, that was a 1-to-1. Yeah, that was a 1-to-1. Alright, so target two is also about to get hit. I had a late entry here on my broker. I had a late entry here on my broker. But yeah, you guys can definitely close. Target two just got hit. Yeah, so that was basically it for today. That was a very good. It was an okay trade, if not that I entered so late. Yeah, so the problem here was, as you can see on the broker, it's not showing all this full stuff. Look here on the other one, it's only showing the half. That's what it's showing here. So it's not going to show the whole full movement. That's the I don't even know the name to call it, but this move here is not going to appear here because there was a gap. But the broker uses this one instead of this one. So I might not be able to draw out my levels like this here because obviously we cannot see this in here. So that's why I had to use this to take trade off of my broker. Yes, I had to use this layout to take a trade on my broker because here market opened at 3 a.m. here, no, at 4 a.m. here. What levels are there to draw out when there is nothing we can see here? So it would be better for us to draw out the levels here, so that we can actually take a trade with the broker. But yeah, this obviously happens mostly on Mondays. And yeah, so basically tomorrow, hopefully, we get to see better levels. But yeah, that will be basically it for today. We're done trading. Overall, let's just see we had a 1-to-1 today. But yeah, that'll be basically it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope today was a good day for you guys. And that'll be basically it. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.